Hi, Leora from Cheap Alarm Parts. If you're stuck deciding whether you should go with a GSM unit or an Ethernet or IP unit for your Bosch Solution 6000 installation, we now have a product that does both. This is the Bosch CM366B, and as you can see, it's got Ethernet and a dual 3G modem on board. You can put 2 SIM cards in it at the same time and also connect the board to Ethernet concurrently. If you have Ethernet connected, it will use the Ethernet as its primary communication protocol. And if for some reason the Ethernet drops out, for example, if you have a power failure or the NBN drops out, the unit will automatically switch to the 3G GSM and use its 3G modem's internet connection. Most installations would just have the one SIM installed, but if you have a high-risk installation, you can put 2 SIM cards in it at the same time, from 2 different networks like a Telstra SIM in slot 1 and a Vodafone SIM in slot 2. If the Telstra network drops out or has a low signal, then it will switch automatically to Vodafone and vice versa. So this unit is a really good fail-safe option. The CM366B comes as a daughter board which clips straight onto the Solution 6000 control panel, so it's super easy to install. It works with all the MyAlarm features, and you can also SMS directly from the board if you don't want to use the MyAlarm for notifications. The Ethernet connection can be used for programming if you have the Solution Link downloaded software or the Site Manager software for bigger sites. The CM366B comes with an Ethernet patch cable and a magnetic mount 3G antenna with a 1 meter lead, so you can mount the antenna outside the box. Things to note: this card requires firmware version 2.30.10 or above, and you can find all the latest firmware on our website for free under Solution 6000 Kits, Software, and there are instructions there too on how to upgrade from an older version panel. This unit really does cover all bases. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, leave your comments below and like and subscribe to our channel. Also, catch us on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to visit our website where you can find all the equipment we've spoken about today at www.jeepalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.